Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm gonna do a comparison, side-by-side comparison of the new and improved Mary Kay oil-free eye makeup remover versus the old version. So I got a lot of people reaching out to me saying, what's the difference? Can you do a comparison? And so I finally got my hands on it and I've been testing it out and I wanted to do this side-by-side comparison. So I put up on the screen the new and the old so that you can see which one's the difference as I'm going through this. When you shake them up, there obviously is a formula difference. They changed something. I can't really, without doing a ton of research, I can't really find what ingredients has significantly changed. But what hasn't changed is both of them are dual phase formula. Both of them are oil free. They both remove waterproof mascara. Both are ophthalmologist and dermatologist tested. They're both suitable for all skin types and for sensitive eyes. And really the biggest difference is the packaging. The new and improved eye makeup remover is made from post-consumer recycled or PCR packaging or material. You guys know that Mary Kay is big on trying to be sustainable for the environment. So this just kind of goes in line with the stuff that they've been trying to say that they've been doing. So that's kind of cool. On the website, the new makeup remover says it features a blend of cleansing agents that raises the bar in eye makeup remover. In side-by-side comparison in women in 4 countries, the new formula was significantly preferred. So you guys are seeing, I put this, both of them on a reusable cotton swab. I'm going through. I'll be honest with you, I don't notice a difference. I don't notice a significant difference between either one of them. I feel like I'm using the same amount of product to get my makeup off. Feel like I'm using or I'm taking the same amount of time. I don't notice a significant difference in either one of them. And I know a lot of you guys were super worried about that it was gonna change, that it wasn't gonna be as good, because the old formulation is truly, it's a goat, it's the goat when it comes to eye makeup remover. But the new formula is just as good in my opinion. I don't feel like I revert back to the old one. So hopefully this video helps you. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll leave my website down below. Take care.